Okay, it's Sunday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. We're in Surrey here. We're doing a roof. Just want to show you the completed sections. This I sprayed the detergent of Gain and bleach first, and then we did pass over. This is the two clean sections. Came out very nice. If you know what you're doing and you take the time, there's absolutely nothing wrong with pressure washing a roof. I wouldn't advise doing it every year, but if you have a giant tree such as this in front, it's the only way. Parm has nice gutter covers, which is a great idea when you have a tree like that, so we cleaned it. I just want to show you the sections that we still have to do. The back here. Again, I pre-soaked it with the detergent earlier. With the sunlight, it's already dried, but when I go to do it, it'll be okay. But again, just want to show you this. Oh man, we've got these glass to do. I've never done as much glass before in my life. I just show you a couple sections there that I started, but I'm going to have to use the extension poles to get right in there. We pre-soaked this as well, but this is still all the remaining, and you can see the mildew and the moss. It starts to grow and it gets under the asphalt shingles, and if you let it go too long, it'll actually start to raise them so water can seep underneath. So it is a good idea to keep your roof clean. I'm going to come back and do this section next, but I just wanted to show you what we're dealing with here. And anyway, so you can see the finished results. Looks fantastic. You do lose a little bit of the grains of the shingles, but again, in the long run, by removing the moss that's growing underneath, it's certainly a good maintenance that works out.